Hi, it's Dennis again. Welcome to the Forlinx SMT Smart Production Line. Here you can see exactly how a SOM is manufactured. At Forlinx, they have implemented an advanced industry 4.0 assembly shop with high levels of automation and precision. Now walk with me through the air shower into the Core Class 100,000 clean room. Before surface mounting begins, selected core chips go through automatic programming. Instead of manual flashing, Forlinx uses automated programming equipment, which significantly improves efficiency. Now let's move into the SMT line. PCB auto-loading, intelligent flipping, and ionized air cleaning. All happen without manual intervention, ensuring cleanliness and precision from the start. Then it's the fully automatic solder paste printer, depositing exactly the right amount on each pad with high precision. Immediately after, the SMT line performs 3D SPI inspection. Using structured light and moire fringe principles, the system measures solder paste height, volume, and alignment in real time. This step can detect printing defects before soldering, serving as the first critical quality gate. Next comes component placement. Introducing Forlinx high-speed SMT mounter, capable of placing over 110,000 components per hour with 30 micron accuracy. At this stage, MES-based material error proofing is enforced. Every reel is scanned and matched against the BOM and placement data. If anything is incorrect, the system immediately alarms, preventing one of industry's high-risk issues, wrong component placement. After placement, the module enters a 10-zone reflow oven. Precisely controlled thermal profiles ensure consistent solder melting and solidification, forming reliable solder joints. Finished modules then pass through 3D AOI inspection, scanning the entire assembly for missing parts, misalignment, bridging, or solder defects. This is Forlinx's second major quality checkpoint. For BGA and other hidden joint components, Forlinx uses X-ray inspection to examine void ratios, solder integrity, and internal connections that are invisible to the naked eye, ensuring 100% internal reliability. From programming to shipment, Forlinx SMT line builds a quality loop of smart error proofing, multi-layer inspection, and full traceability.